Hello friends, in last video we have to see the single phase and three phase AC/DC motors. Now today we have to see the new topic, basic design. So in this type of basic designs we have to find out basic design. You know that basic design is a very important task to performing the shape, size, line, width of the motors. By using these basic designs, we performing the model of the motors. In this model of motor, we have to find out the various types of this shape, sizes will be produced by using these motors. And it is the very important task to performing the new implementation of designing model. So designing model is a very effective task to perform the motors developing. So various new models will be launches, various types of motors we have to see that day to day life. In this the effective form will be generated that the quality of performance can be is a major factor by in the motor form. And then we have to first preference for model, for attractive very impressive model we have to see, and that will be the very effective form will be generated. These are the various colors, shape, sizes can be used by this basic design implementation of the various types of motor model. So in this motor model we have to perform the new mechanisms will be developed for using these types of models. So in this type of we have to see that the various models can be used in our day-to-day life. So these are the effective tasks performed in the generating of the basic implementation of motors task. So in this way we have to find out the basic designs of the model. The effective form is color, shape, size, line width. So various tasks will be generated in this type of basic design. So in this way we have to perform how can be basic models can be used. So now secondly we have to teach the second point will be develop the interfacing of interfacings of these AC/DC motors. Interfacing of AC/DC motors. In this interface visually it can be used for the specific platform for developing these motor vehicles basic type of engine. So in this type of converter can be used the architectural model can be used by using the basic interface. We can be used the basic interface of ICs can be used for generating the motor model. So various types of the IC usually in this interface the converter of this architectural form to the interface usually that in the form of linking converter. That will be because that we can be we tell you about the IC. So in this which will be converted in the in the form of AC grid, in the various form of DC MG types of appliances will be generated. So after we have to generate in the vertical type of grid in the form of generating the galvanic isolations will be generated. By using this, that isolation can be provided in the form of transformer. So in this way, this converter will be in the bidirectional, and that can be allow the power exchange in both the ways. Various types of ways can be using this bidirectional transformer. We can be power will be converted in the both the various types of ways. So that this power transformer is used to convert the AC voltage will be converted into DC voltage. That will be the that produces the charge of batteries, and in the form of battery backup we can be store the DC power. So that DC powers is stored in the batteries, that will batteries, and that including the AC power. So by these are the by using this AC power, we using the use in the form of inverters. So that will be the basic form of components will be used by using this transformer with the center tapped primary winding of the current winding along the that switches can be generated, and when we switch on, and that allows the current flow from the backup of batteries, and that through the primary winding can be winding will be creates AC voltage into DC. So that through the that will be the calibrations form will be generated. So power that will be generated, power sources, panels, meters, will be various controlling appliances will be generated. So these are the used various AC appliances, AC and DC appliances from the interfacing devices. So in these interfacing devices, the DC power sources can be designed that elements will be wide range of varieties, wide range of DC applications performed, such as energy can be stored in these systems. So in these systems, electrical form of vehicles, fuse ending will be used for by using the backup of used that sometimes we can be used super capacitors. So in this way we can be the interfacing devices will be work. So secondly, I have to tell you about the DC interfacing of DC motors can be launched in the form of the 8051 of IC, and these are the ICs used from robots creation in the form of essentially designing part implementation we have to create. The various robotic projects developing we can be used these types of DC motor ICs. So that will be that can be used. DC motors have powerful controller in the form of the more voltage were produced, that reversing processes will be generated in the form of directions, and then that will be created, the rotating part will be generated, and that the voltage produced in various reversing direction, and that the rotation of move the rotation of overall it. So in this way we can be perform the interfacing appliances of motor heaters and in the AC/DC sources. So thank you.